I can't see.
Keep going.
Well, open your lights off.
Off?
Yeah.
All right. On this episode of IowaBoyzTV, we're getting the Cushman. All right, we got her backed up.
Hey,
Gonna pick up the Cushman.
we can take all this stuff and put it in the white Nissan over there.
Oh, she's a piece
But how are we going to
of machinery.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
How are we going to put it on the trailer?
Don't you got that strap?
Bruh.
There's a green strap in your truck. We'll pull it out a little bit first.
Bruh.
We'll pull it out of the mud first, and then roll it onto the trailer.
All this is mud. Bruh.
We should have brought 2 trucks with us.
Yeah, we should have. Let's grab that green strap.
I don't think this will work.
Put the ramp down. Yeah, just trust me. Fuck it. What? Hey, what the fuck? Hey, grab that ramp.
Oh, she got some skis in the back of it too!
Oh, gold! Hey, should we keep this?
No, we got to put it in the back of the fucking guitar.
Uh-oh, I just threw it in the weeds.
That's fine.
That's alright.
All right, we're leaving the skis.
They got a bunch of natties.
Natty light.
Oh no, those all.
This fucker. It's gonna take forever.
Do we need a push?
How about you pull it out of the weeds first?
Drive forward?
She's in there.
It is in there.
Drive forward?
Yeah, drive forward.
You're out with the truck.
Okay, I'm not stand out of the way of the strap, Austin.
Yeah, nope. I ain't gonna go near this.
Oh fuck, she's muddy.
She's out.
I can't see. I've been recording up this whole time.
That better?
I've been recording up this whole time. Oh, she broke. Alright, our plan is to use the General to help pull out the Cushman, but she's got a flat, so we gotta air it up quick. Oh. This is gonna take a while.
50 years.
Turn on the light bar. She's off. The light bar's still off.
I don't know how it
Okay,
works.
turn off the whip light first. Still off. Look at these green
Pull
lights.
on it!
I like these green ones.
Pull on it!
It keeps turning back.
Pull.
What?
Pull. Alright, hook her up underneath there again.
She can't. Get coming.
It's just rope. This shit is gonna rip.
You don't break that.
How much you gonna bet we're gonna break the winch?
What?
How much you gonna bet we're gonna break the winch?
I don't think it
It's just rope.
It's not gonna break.
Are you sure?
Let's pull this thing up a fucking hill like this.
Alright, what? God damn it, kid.
We're gonna end up breaking this thing. Look at the rope.
No, that's fine. Hook it up to the hitch. Go from underneath. No, okay, just leave it.
Nope. She's gonna fling back. This is a bad idea. Tell Jack to get out.
God, Jack! Jack!
Pick a light.
Look at it.
Look at what?
Alright. You're gonna snap the rope. I'm calling it.
Hey, she came right out. Are you holding the brake?
Yeah.
Old Smoky. Oh God. Try it. Pull. Pull. Pull.
Oh, I found it. There we go. Aha!
She's in neutral. She jammed. Pull. Other way. There you go.
Yeah, he did that to me 8 times. he was pulling it back. You gotta connect to the base.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Hey, hey, keep pulling. Okay, stop. There.
Oh, she done. See, look at the exhaust on this thing.
Where? That's the exhaust. We're gonna put an 8-inch tip on her. Hey, it's all the way in. It's pulled all the way tight.
No, I'll tell you back. Do you think we can push it?
We probably
Yeah.
could. Yeah.
What do you mean push it?
Do you think we can push
Hey,
it?
let's try
Us
and
three.
push it. Let's
Do
try
you
and
think
push
we
it.
can?
Yeah.
Or do we need to use a winch?
Well, how are you gonna winch onto the trailer?
Well, let's use the winch. Let's winch it up closer. Let's put the trailer down.
And then start it. And then
You know, we could probably push it. It's pretty light.
Yeah, but let's get it closer here.
Let's go.
okay. Well, we got it in the strap. Oh, Cushman.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got our Cushman. She mint. She's a manual. Nest for the mouse. Perfect. She'll run mint. Got some beer cans. Oh yeah. Seat for the ladies in the back. Fresh battery. She's ready to be turbocharged. Let me all go to work.
It's clogged. Okay, you do that side.
She ain't got no eyes.
Come on, that'll be good film. Up to the battery. Let's see if we can get anything to turn over. Nope. Oh!
Oh! Anchor.
It's got nice lights. I don't want that.
I want to know what that is.
Here, try that.
Maybe that is 4-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive.
You stupid.
There's probably something in this game.
Look underneath. Alright, so we took the bed off. Braden's hitting it. She's pretty mint. Trail Pass Bristol 2015. Gonna be a good project. Stay tuned. She got a small little pipe.
Hey, do you think you can fit 4-wheel drive? Jack, you fucking idiot.
Hey, our screwdriver.
Oh my god. I'm just trying to sell this piece of shit.
Well, she ain't sellable anymore. Oh.
Just leave it, just leave it.
She's turning over.
Oh, she's spinning.
Oh, she's spitting out stuff.
But I don't know if it's getting sparked. because the ignition's not on. So let's just run a gas can right to here. Or do you want to clean carbs?
I ain't clean carbs.
Not tonight.
Not tonight.
In the next video,
Stay tuned.
Cushman gets carbs.
Shit.
Okay, we got a new fuel tank. Some line going in. Fuel filter, new line. All the way up to the carb. Cement. Clean the carb. And key switch is all fucked up. Cement. We're good. Come on, baby!
Fuck.
You gotta check this spark plug.
The fuel pump sounds really weak.
It's probably
it
building
is
pressure. Is the choke on? Is the choke on?
I've been doing that with my hand.
Yeah, but we don't want. Okay, we don't want manual choke. Okay.
You gotta spray air into it.
But it's not wet. We just had it running a minute ago. Hold on, let the fuel pump catch up. Let the fuel pump catch up.
Still puking out back here.
Okay, go ahead. Again, baby! Gonna blow it up! Hot rod specialist.
We got her running and she's going down the road, baby. We got the bitch running, taking her down the road real quick. She's cheating! Gotta put the old girl in second.